Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shariel, and if you're returning, thank you for watching more content. If you're here for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'll be showing you how I made this marble backdrop for only $10. I'm all about being frugal. That's one of the things my channel focuses on, is frugality. When you're frugal, you're smart with your money. You really think about things before you spend it, and that's what I'm all about. I know in this social media culture, people are all about flexing and traveling and all this other stuff. That's cool, but at the end of the day, crises happen, and if you spend all your coins, what's gonna happen? You're gonna be in a bad situation. So I think it's wise to save your money or invest it, and when you do spend it, try to spend it wisely. So let's get into the video. The reason I decided to make this backdrop in the first place is because I'm a new YouTuber, and I put most of my budget toward lighting, audio, and a decent camera lens. So this was really on the back burner for me because I knew I could figure out how to make a decent looking backdrop. So my inspiration was my bathroom downstairs. It has marble on one, like the accent wall is marble. So I wanted my backdrop to look like it, and praise God, I was successful. So now I'm gonna stop talking and tell you the supplies you need.
First off, you'll need some boxes. I bought 2 boxes from Walmart, one medium and one small. The medium box cost $1.28. The small box cost 73 cents. Next, you'll need contact paper. I got this contact paper from Target for $4.99. They also have different colors and prints besides the marble print that I bought. This is usually used to line the inside of drawers, but I had a feeling that it would work out. Next, you'll need masking tape. I bought the brand Stick Tech, but any masking tape should work. It cost me $2.89. The medium box cost me $1.28. The small box cost me 73 cents. The contact paper cost me $4.99, and the masking tape cost me $2.89, totaling $9.89 plus state tax for all of my supplies. These items you should have at home already: scissors and a box cutter. I bought a paint marker just to add detail to my background. This is definitely optional, you don't have to do it. The first step is to use the box cutter to cut only one side of the box. Repeat this step for the other box as well. Now, after cutting the side of each box, you should open them both up, and they should both look like this. Notice the small gaps the boxes have. You're going to tape them all on one side. The point of taping these gaps is so that when you put the contact paper on top of the boxes, it's more of a smooth presentation. Next, what you're going to do is take a piece of tape that's the length of that gap, and you're going to fold it and fold it and fold it until it's the width of the gap. The point of this is to basically put it on the other side of the tape that you just taped, and you're going to fill that in, and then you're going to put tape on top of that. Basically sandwich this in between 2 pieces of tape so that when you put the contact paper, it'll be smooth. You're going to do the sandwich method for every single gap for each box. It's a lot, but it makes it worth it, and it makes the contact paper look better. Next, you're going to tape the medium and small box together on both sides. Now it's time for the contact paper. This is a peeling contact paper. So I've done one panel of the contact paper off camera, and next I'm going to do the second panel on camera. Of course, when I did it on camera, I kept messing up, but you're gonna see that even if you mess up, you can peel it off and start again until it's lined up nicely. The good thing about this marble print is that it blends in together so you don't see the lines.
So backdrops, if you haven't researched it yourself, backdrop stands you can get for as low as $30, and a seamless backdrop you can get for as low as $30. So it's about a $60 investment, but they take up a lot of space. I needed something that I could move easily, store easily, and that I didn't have to set up and take down.
Also, when peeling the contact paper, sometimes it doesn't peel off in one piece, so you have to take off little pieces. And also sometimes the contact paper sticks to itself. So if it sticks to itself, take it apart slowly. You don't want to rip it, just be patient.
This backdrop can be moved easily. It's a nice size, so if you want a little more space or a little less space, you can do that either way when you're filming. It's great for selfies, it's great for filming, and it's great for product shots. So if you have a business that has small knickknacks, like you sell keychains or you sell even watches, anything that's small, you can make a smaller version of this and use it to shoot product shots for your website. That's what I love about it. This backdrop is also awesome for people that are on a budget, people that are in college and you're in a dorm where you don't have much space but you want to start YouTube or something else similar where you want to shoot with your camera. And this is also good for people that live in small spaces where you have a house and you don't really have room for a whole backdrop and a backdrop stand. This is perfect. Or if you live in an apartment and it's tight in there, this is perfect. You can literally put this on a wall or really in front of anything, and you can shoot and have this nice presentation.
After I was done applying the contact paper, I noticed that the medium box connected to the small was sticking out because it's bigger. All you have to do is cut it off. So what's optional, which is what I chose to do, was use this gold paint marker that was about $2 from Walmart to add gold accents to the background. So this backdrop turned out to be almost 5 feet by 4.5 feet, which is a big size, so you can always make it smaller if you want to. I love it because I can shoot a little further away or closer if I want to. Just for a warning, based on how you store this and the humidity or the climate you live in, it can wrinkle. So if you need to film and half of your backdrop is wrinkled, what I did, I sat on the ground and I used the smooth side behind me. So I flipped it and the wrinkled part was on top. A little bit of the wrinkles showed, but they were kind of blurred out with my ring light. When the backdrop wrinkles, make sure that every time you store it, you always have the wrinkled side on the ground. Keep the non-wrinkled side up because you don't want to keep switching what part you put on the ground. That'll end up making the whole thing wrinkled. Also, when it is wrinkled, do not try to smooth it out. You're going to make it worse. And also, don't try to take the contact paper off and reapply it. That's not going to work. And if this sounds like too much work for you, use your coins to get a real backdrop and a real backdrop stand. This is for college students who have no more swipes. This is for people that use 2-ply toilet paper. This is for people that add water to their hand soap, okay? This is for us. After a while, my contact paper smoothed out again. So I don't know, basically it's climate. I primarily shoot in my kitchen, and I put the backdrop in front of the cabinet, and I make sure 3 to 4 corners are taped to keep it from curling over on me. But you can pretty much use this anywhere in a bedroom or living room. Just make sure that the corners are taped to keep the backdrop stable. I prefer to use a tape that you use to tape up packages at the post office. I feel like it works the best.
I hope that I explained everything well in this video and that it really helps you if you want to do your own DIY backdrop. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much.